Hello traders, welcome back to Forex Minds Hub, your go-to channel for insightful Forex trading tutorials and tips. Before we dive into today's DXTrade tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Forex Minds Hub for more valuable Forex trading insights. In today's DXTrade tutorial, we are going to explore Trading Dashboard and the invaluable tool of the Trading Journal. The Trading Dashboard is your cockpit in the world of Forex trading. It is where you can monitor the complete status of your trades. Let's look at all the available options. First thing is the time range. Here you can specify the time range that you want to look at it. Default available options are today, last week, last month, and all history. If you need to look at any specific duration, then we can specify the dates in the from and to fields. So all you have to do is just click on the calendar and select the dates that you're looking at it. So this is a new account, so we don't have a lot of data, so I can simply just click on any date and select the date in between, and it will display all the data right here. Next option is asset type. So if we look at this drop down here, you can look at all these available options here. So if you trade multiple different instruments and want to check the individual status, then we can select the asset type. For example, I want to look at the Forex trading stats, so I'll simply go and click on Forex. So in this case, I took 6 trades on the GBP USD pair and my total loss was $144.60. It has the complete stats like win rate, average winning trade holding time, average losing trade holding time, etc. If you're trading indices, then I can select cash CFD. So I'll simply click on this drop down and select cash CFD, and you can see the status of all trades. So you can see win rate, percent return, average winning trade holding time, return time, average P&L, etc. If you want to look at the combined status, then we can change the asset type to all. So just click again on this drop down and select all. Now you can see all the instruments that I traded: US 100, GBP USD, US 30, and Bitcoin. So before finishing our discussion about Trading Dashboard, we must talk about Refresh Metrics option. This is the option right here. The data does not get updated in the real time. I'm not sure about the exact time interval, but if you're active trading and want to look at the stats, then simply click on Refresh Metrics like this, and it updates it quickly. Let's take a brief pause before starting our discussion about Trading Journal. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please click the subscribe button so you won't miss out any future videos, and if you like the content, then please hit the like button. So let's talk about Trading Journal. So Trading Journal option is right here next to Trading Dashboard. So it is not just a diary, it is your roadmap to success. By logging your trades, analyzing your strategies, and learning from your successes and failures, you're setting yourself up for consistent growth and improvements. I'm glad that there's built-in Trading Journal that we can use. I couldn't find the option to export this data to CSV file or any other format, but I hope they will add it soon. So first thing over here is time range, like we explored under Trading Dashboard. So same options: today, last week, last month, all history, or customize it like the way you want it, like any dates that you want to select, you can simply select it there. Next thing are built-in tags, and the available tags are news, impulse, strategy, market event, and error. It would have been nice to add the option to create your own custom tags, but for now, like, we just have to use the available options. On the right hand side, there are different options. First one is to collapse all positions right here. Collapse all positions. and you'll get this kind of view. You can expand individual trades, and you can see the stats. At the bottom you can see total P&L and total number of pips. So next option is here to expand all positions. Click on that. So in this way you can see the expanded view here. So you can see like the time when you executed the trade, time when you close the trade. And the last option over here is that we're going to talk about is column customizations. So you can click on column customizations. So let's say if I don't want to see order ID, then I can simply click on it and select remove from table. So all I have to do is, I already removed it in this case, so I can, let's say, add it here. So add to table. So you can add it, or in this, if you want to remove it, simply click on remove from table. And I can also change the order in which these options are displayed. So let's say if you want to move P&L pips above the P&L CCY, then I can simply drag it above and click apply. So all I will do it, drag it up. So now you can see it, it's here, apply. So right here, so you can change the order. So now we'll look at the tags and notes field here. So let's say we'll took this trade, let's say it's like this trade according to our strategy. Then I can click on tags and select strategy. So I'll simply click on tags and select strategy. And same thing, like next one, we can go over here, click on tags, and let's say if there's an impulsive trade, so I can just click on impulse. Then next one is note field here. So there are 3 different note field available here. So let's say right here, so it was like a buy trade. So this is trade note is like when you enter your trade, like why did you enter it. So you can say like according to my plan, hit control enter to submit it. Then you can also then enter like when you close this trade, add the trade note here, hit TP, control enter. And then you also have the option for like overall position, like what is your overall feeling. So you can say like I was in control, my mental state was calm. So it is very important to enter as much data as you can think related to your trade, especially like mindfulness is really important. Like when you're entering a trade, was it like due to greed, fear, or according to your plan? So later on you can review this information. So for now I'll just hit control enter to submit it. So one thing I noticed is, I'm not sure if it is a bug or something, I don't see, sometimes I can see this data, and sometimes I have to like refresh it and it displays later on. So I'll try to like refresh it, or like try to move between different views, like collapse it or expand it there, and maybe you'll be able to see it. So I'm not really sure. Again, like I'm just sharing the information that I'm finding it useful, or the available options that are there. So hopefully, like if this is a bug, then they'll fix it in future. And that concludes this video. I believe that I have covered most of the topics in the DXTrade tutorial series, but please let me know if you need me to create any other video related to DXTrade, and I'll do my best to create the content on that topic. Going forward, I'll be uploading contents related to different strategies and general trading topics, so please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, happy trading.